Ready to transform your floors? Say goodbye to outdated ceramic tile and hello to a fresh start. Our dedicated professionals will meticulously remove your existing tile, leaving a pristine canvas for your dream renovation. We're committed to a precise and efficient process, minimizing any inconvenience to your space. Our expert tile removal service ensures a smooth transition for your flooring project. We handle the challenging removal process with care, so you can focus on the exciting possibilities ahead. Whether you're dreaming of warm hardwood, sleek vinyl, or a modern tile design, we'll create the perfect foundation for a stunning result. Imagine the possibilities. With the old tile gone, your space is ready to embrace a new era of style and comfort. Our team's expertise and attention to detail guarantee a flawless removal process, setting the stage for a seamless installation. Choose us for your tile removal needs and experience the difference. We'll surpass your expectations with our commitment to quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Get ready to step onto the floors of your dreams. The transformation starts here.